Hello, my name is Eric Silva, and in this video I'll be discussing how to create an interactive lesson using SoftChalk Cloud. So let's get started. SoftChalk Cloud is a cloud-based subscription service that allows instructors to create web-based lessons that include interactive elements such as videos, quizzes, activities, and more. Word documents and PowerPoints can be created using SoftChalk to create a more engaging experience for all students. Now let's check out a demo. This SoftChalk lesson is an example of the Project 1 guidelines. You can see that instead of one page of all the instructions, we've divided them up into 6 pages. This first page is a standard overview page that includes text and an image. You can also see on the right we were able to add in a custom sidebar with important information. If a student did, however, want to view all of the content on one page, they can simply click Print All, and that'll open up a new version with all the instructions on one document. We can move on to the second page of the instructions, and we can see that we have another standard text page. We were able to take the content as well as adding external links that open up in a new window. As you can see on the right, we were able to include the same important information sidebar. As you can see, page 3 is very similar to pages 1 and 2, except this time we elected to add in one of those interactive elements that we mentioned about earlier. We chose to add in a multiple answer quiz question. By being able to ask these questions right in the document, we're able to check a student's understanding in real time. For example, in this question we asked, which of the following are required in the assignment? So in this case we know the answer is A, B, and C. So we can check those, and check the answer, and get real-time feedback. For example, if the student got it wrong, we can recheck the answer, and we're able to add in additional feedback as far as where to reference them to get more information to get that answer right. SoftChalk Cloud provides a variety of question types to ask. These questions include essay questions, feedback questions, matching, multiple answer, multiple blanks, multiple choice, ordering, sentence completion, short answer, and true and false. Since these lessons are web-based, we're able to include things such as YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, and pretty much anything we can embed as an iframe. You can see right from within the page, we're able to play all of these different videos. And as we scroll through the page, you can see that we're able to include multiple of these elements as well. One of the things you may or may not have noticed at the very top of the page is where we have what's called On This Page. Since we're able to design the page using heading styles, students can easily jump to parts that they're looking for. The final page we'll be going over in this demo is the evaluation page. On this page we can get a little creative in how we use the tools. When we scroll down, we can see we have a self-check assessment using the quizzes feature. We're able to ask yes or no questions to ask the students to see if they meet all the requirements of the rubric. So for this example, we can go ahead and answer yes to both questions. Once we do that, we're able to check our answers. You can see that for question 1, the answer was correct, they met the criteria. So there we can put a check mark, good job. For question 2, we can see that the answer wasn't the best to meet the requirements, so we gave them an X, but we can also put in additional feedback. So in this case, the question was, does the background music overpower the primary audio? So since the student answered yes, and that's not really the best way for their video, we can provide them feedback to say, hey, consider adjusting the volume of the background music. This way they're able to take that feedback and improve their project. In this video, we discussed the basics of SoftChalk Cloud and its ability to create interactive web-based lessons. While we only touched the surface, there's still so much more that SoftChalk Cloud can do to engage your students. For additional information, be sure to check out softchalkcloud.com or contact your institution's e-learning department. Thanks for watching.